Yeah.
Want hurt you. Hurt me, girl. Hurt me. Me never tell us to protect my feelings. Hurt me. Me want to know. Shami.
Yeah. Say it so.
Shami. Shami.
Alright, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. So as you guys know, we're here to do our weekly mukbang, and today we have Spice.
Well, on them, wig look like it lean, the line never fix.
Alright.
Them just a wig.
Yes. So today we're doing a mukbang, and this mukbang is kind of mixed because alright, so we'll start off by just showing the food. So you can get this anywhere, like any restaurant you go or whatever, you know.
This is my first time, by the way, so it's weird.
So she have shrimp pasta, and we both got chicken parmesan. Let's go ahead and oh yeah, we'll have ocean spray, the white one, the cranberry, white cranberry, yeah. So
yes, I eat.
Yeah man. Yeah man. So we have some questions. I don't know if already we eat food, you know, all of them nice is there, and we talk. So today, stop.
Let us pray.
Alright, yes, for true. Ready? Let us thank him for our food. Amen. I'm going to dig in first because my hunger bad.
But me want salt.
You just do not want more salt?
I have too much salt.
This is good. Mashed potato. Alright, so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
check on the shrimp. What would you do if you found out your boyfriend of 2 years is living a double life and is married with 3 kids? This is actually happening to a friend of mine. That's what the person said, because I had asked in my previous mukbang for you guys to drop some questions below. So, yeah.
Married?
Yeah.
Married?
To the next woman. I have 3 picnic.
I never knew.
Never know a thing. That she said. And she said it happened right now to our friend.
Oh God.
Somebody gonna get hurt. What you don't do is when you find out. You hear that laugh there?
You know what? I wouldn't do nothing really. I would go to church. I would pray about it, and I would just ask the Lord, you know, why is that happening to me? And you know, I would talk to God about it.
Get out of here.
That is good. That is good. I don't know. None of that would have come in, man.
I bet you never. Because the feel never come and I say, a spice? I like it. Because the feeling.
Me,
honestly,
for me, I know it would be unpredictable. Like, would I definitely get angry instantly? I don't know what I do, honestly.
But it look like you can't fight. So, when you go get angry, what you that say? When you get angry?
Cause
get this bad one?
Not really, not that much. But if I get really angry, you know, show me way that do.
You know, you say people are gonna get hurt next year.
Really?
I believe so. What would I do if you find out say your friend didn't know and never tell you? No problem that. That's a big problem. And for some reason that always happened to me.
But oh,
my friend them always betray me for some reason. I always feel like I choose the wrong friend them. Because that happened to me before with friend that tell me something and I feel betrayed.
That happened to me straight out of high school.
Easy to block and delete.
Yeah, that is something that I do. That is something with my master. Like, I feel like if you're not bringing good energy or good vibes, I just cut it off. Like, me not.
Alright, look, some friend love somebody know but we never want to tell you. Yeah. We never want to hurt you. Hurt me, girl. Hurt me. Me never tell you to protect my feelings. Hurt me. I want to know. If you go here where you see my boyfriend, call me. Tell me say you see him. Hurt me. That's how I think about the situation.
Some people can't manage that, you know.
Your friend will tell you. Me would I tell you? I'm not like bad.
Some people say them don't want to get in other people's relationship. I may understand that, but like that's a serious something. If you know so the person, the man have a whole next family out there.
And I tell a friend that's not nice.
That's a wickedness. That's straight up wickedness.
The friend community.
Really? Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, for true.
Really? No, that's a wickedness.
Yeah.
Them friends something them.
That's hurtful. But oh, you know pick up nothing. You know do not if you can't pick up other.
No man, let me tell you about man. You see, them man make difference.
That's true.
Them man have 10 women you think are you one. Them man make difference. So
them man you have in a glide road when them tell lie. Just to convince you.
Well I know them have a thing, them swear on them life.
Yeah.
And them pick the life.
Them man start ball. And I say them a kill themselves, them a commit suicide.
And them no want to lose you.
Well, they are the first person in the world them ever find and them ever love so.
But yet still them a cheat on you with more than one person. But married though, you could manage the one there.
That's how we can manage it.
My honest answer is that I would have fight. I would have fight the man. I tell us I would have fight him. I may win. The way would have ignorant, would have win the fight there.
I love your honesty. Would you be celibate with a man who is not Christian? So he's requesting you to be celibate up until marriage, but he's not Christian. You know, usually a Christian people.
So him are going to be celibate because I've been celibate already for a year.
I guess, but like, would you question it? Like, what
can give you a real reason as to why?
Yeah.
As to why he want me to be celibate, but him not be celibate, or both of us going to be do it together.
But him not gonna reason why
he want to be celibate. That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense to me.
What's the point of believe?
Wrong.
I don't know.
No, but he's not a Christian or he's not religious.
Christian minded, like.
Then he forgot baptized.
I thought.
Forgot baptized. I feel marriage though.
But you don't put the look correct still, so.
No, well, it's a good thing, but by 2019 we're not going to 2020. It's kind of rough.
You want it?
I mean, it's rough. It's rough.
You want it? Sis.
No, but for
that's
you, that don't make no sense.
I suppose I don't get you. You want it, man.
I'm done.
What's the girl
because him small, make him might try. You know, I'm married before.
That's a one good one. And you owe me married him, and then the next day, the final say, yeah, divorce next day.
But you should get an introduction before marriage. Remember, you have to calm down yourself. You have good time now.
We'll see your life.
You're right.
You can't see it. You can't ask to see it. Like if you ever ask a man to see his private parts, so you can know.
No, me just see them pop up in my DM.
Oh my God!
It's true.
Magical.
Me not like that. Right and center.
Who not broke me out though? Me never hear them broke me out yet.
No, but true. No, but this is the reason why I had to limit. For business, I give out an email because I
sing them slack me.
The boy a catch me pan the corner pan me head. All him a send it me a ball me out for dead.
Well,
what the next one?
How do you feel about your partner wearing gifts from their ex?
No, not talk, pocket talk, tear talk. Right? People want my partner talk to him ex.
Right?
Not people want my partner to talk to him ex. You need to be talk to her.
I'm not about that.
Me, I want to talk to her.
Like,
so
oh,
we
buy
not
one car.
You're mad? You take it too far now.
No, before the relationship, you want him gear it, boss?
Sell it.
I said, boss, sell it indeed.
Look here, let me tell you something. My mama older than the 200. You see,
Yes.
old fire stick easy to catch quick. Alright.
Alright.
Google it. Old fire stick easy to catch quick. Can't say never want to know.
Alright.
No X thing, no X behavior.
If it's X, they should just be like deleted. Them no exist. Them are
That's
X.
what they should be.
X.
X.
What you do if you're around your partner and you see them phone a ring and a baby so come up to call the ID?
I could have look at data.
Yeah, go answer the phone and you just watch it say. Babe.
Yeah, answer it.
And what you gonna say?
Who this?
So, oh man.
Say your name. We'll fight again. Sometimes you have to learn to just walk away and just, if it's not for you, it's just not for you.
You have to walk away, but after you don't
fight. Would you date your ex again? You know?
No,
Beg for forgiveness?
Then you just say X or X.
Ex or ex?
For the man. But for the woman, I
Me would date my ex again.
Okay.
But some people believe in second chances and they believe in letting go and it all come back to you and you know.
Me see that happen to people all the time, and sometimes them life just them destroy it even more because some people can pretend for a very long time.
Yeah. I mean, if you tell about them pretend.
Don't come and them talk about them change and them find the Lord and them actually start make money now. Because probably you left them because nothing ever go for them. Them lazy, them dependent.
Oh Lord! Why should I tell my baby father?
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Me? Why did I would never.
Don't try to work for the man.
I'm done. Yes.
But like Adele said, never mind, I'll find someone like you. I give nothing but the best for you. Remember that? You could have go for your neck.
Listen,
You could have climbed tree.
I feel like it's hard.
You could have go underneath the bed. You could have broke your neck in the corner. It don't matter what you do. Me I tell you, you could have good look more.
So what you do then?
I'm single now. I'm single for these
So when
reasons.
you just single for the rest of your life? Yeah.
When the
like,
man
when you're touched, like if God's for your life, you're ready for just settle down and you know.
when you find the man that maybe I have to go for it. I don't know.
So you still believe them out there then?
I think so. Maybe. Maybe.
And if not,
But for now, let me explain something to you as well.
Yeah.
As a strong woman, it's difficult to find a man.
Yeah.
Because it troubles their ego. And the truth is, when you're independent and you're strong, and any man you can talk to.
Yeah,
So
for true. Some of them get
aside.
intimidated.
Some men get intimidated by strong, independent women, and I think that will always be one of the problems, one of the things that I look out for. You know?
Yes.
You
So
done
like,
it already?
I'm full. Oh, you still? You like it? You like it?
I like it. It's kind of fresh, but I like it.
How much you rate it out of 10?
6. How much you rate yours? You come like a 10 out of 10 because you're almost done.
No, it's pretty good. I'll give it 7. I'll give it 7. Yeah, 7.
So you're far from me.
Yeah. Where's the spice in the kitchen?
Next vlog. I'm busy bad. I mean, I have no time for that.
No, you're busy. Like, how you balance? No, how you balance it true? Like, it's crazy.
To be honest, it's easy for me because, I mean, when I spice, I work.
Yeah.
When I reach home, the blue wig have to come off, the black hair go on, or the natural hair, and I just go back to being Grace and I attend to my kids. I don't miss birthdays and
but do you like
PTA meetings and we try to balance everything.
Okay.
We go home, check the book, do the normal stuff, go out with them, and you know. I get tired sometimes, but I try not to say I'm tired because this is what you work, and this is what I work for.
Yeah.
So if you work for something and then you reach it and I say, oh, you're tired, it don't make no sense because of your dream, you work and you reach the point where you wanted to work. And there were times when I did home, I'm hungry, I'm food to find food. So now when I reach a point where people are requesting me, I travel, I tour, I can't stop. tired,
just
you can't
be grateful,
complain.
right?
Yeah,
right.
you have to be grateful.
I definitely understand. So that's really good. But it was really nice having you.
Thank you.
My mukbang. It's really nice. Yes, she's officially a part of the Divinity Nation. Yes.
Alright, Divinity, so big up on yourself.
Yeah guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Don't forget the 500k giveaway is still going on. All the rules will be in the description box.
And if you want me back, drop the questions and I'll come back for something else.
Yeah, drop more questions or suggestions or what else you want to see.
What do you want to ask me?
Yeah. What if
No.
Nice. What would you dance today? Oh my god.
Tables turn.
Tables turn. Suppose I start do what you do. So the matter come here with your galley self.
So that's it for today guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself. Bye.